अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अलाइड स्कूल फैज़ कैंपस स्प्रिंग पैक 2 मई 2021 grade 2. This is the mark sheet of spring pack 2 and students you can see that each subject carries 5 marks. You have to solve it carefully. The next one is syllabus of spring pack 2 class 2. Class 2 you can see that there is a syllabus of your all subjects written and you have to read and learn the syllabus carefully. Let's start from subject English. Lesson number 2, the trap. Trap means jaal ya phanda. You can see the first of all words meanings are written. Number 1 word is trap. Trap means jaal, servant, nokkar, perhaps, shayad, rubbish, कूड़ा, cart, पकड़ा गया. The next one is answer the following questions. Why was the road unhappy? सड़क क्यों ना खुश थी? The road was unhappy because people hurt the road by throwing rubbish on it. रोड इसलिए ना खुश थी कि लोगों ने कूड़ा फेंककर सड़क को गंदा या ख़राब कर दिया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हाउ डिड पीपल हर्ट द ट्री? लोगों ने दरख्त को कैसे नुकसान पहुंचाया? पीपल हर्ट द ट्री बाय ईटिंग इट्स फ्रूट एंड कटिंग इट्स ब्रांचेस. लोगों ने दरख्त के फल खाए और उसकी शाखें काट दी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हु लेट द टाइगर आउट ऑफ द ट्रैप? किसने टाइगर को जाल से आज़ाद किया? द बॉय लेट द टाइगर आउट ऑफ द ट्रैप. एक लड़के ने जाल से टाइगर को आज़ाद किया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, हु पुट द टाइगर बैक इन द ट्रैप? टाइगर को जाल में दोबारा किसने बंद किया? द जैकल पुट द टाइगर बैक इन द ट्रैप. गीदड़ ने. द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ योर ऑब्जेक्टिव portion and write T for true statement and F for false statement. Here are some sentences written and true and false answer is also written. Students, you have to learn and read it carefully. The next one is you can see there are some words written in the boxes and with the help of these words you have to solve the given blanks. The next one is use these words in sentences of your own. Number 1 word is friend. Ali is my friend. Immediately का मतलब होता है फ़ौरन. He immediately apologized for his behavior. Apologize mean माफ़ी मांगना. उसने जल्दी से अपने गलत बिहेवियर की माफ़ी मांग ली या अपने बिहेवियर की, अपने रवैये की माफ़ी मांग ली. रबिश कूड़ा. डोंट थ्रो रबिश ऑन द रोड. सड़क पर कूड़ा मत फेंकें. ओपफुल बद्दा, बुरा. It made an awful mess on the carpet. Lucky. It's lucky that the wound didn't faster. Next one is match the column and write the answer in the column C. Correct answer in column C. A thing made of wood with 4 wheels. A cart. A thing made of metal and wood. मेटल और वुड से जो चीज़ बनी है वो क्या होती है? नाइफ. A thing made of cotton. A shirt. A thing made of glass. शीशे की बनी हुई चीज़ उसको क्या कहते हैं? A mirror. A thing made of paper. पेपर से बनी हुई चीज़ को क्या कहते हैं? Book. The next one is add not to the following sentences. Here are some sentences given and you have to make these sentences negative form by adding not. For example, first sentence is the boy was sad and its negative sentence will be the boy was not sad and so on. Next one is your activity. Put the following in alphabetical orders. Here are some words are written in sentence form and you have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means आपने ABC के हिसाब से इसको तरतीब देना है. पहले A वाला word फिर B, C and so on. For example, first sentence is bag, dog, knife, short and part. So we will arrange this sentence according to alphabetical order. We will write bag, dog, knife, part and the last one is short and so on. Next one is lesson number 2, conversation, a poem. The conversation means बातचीत करना and this is your poem. And first question is answer the following questions. Number 1, who is talking to the mouse? चूहे से कौन बात कर रहा है? A cat is talking to the mouse. Question number 2, what does the cat want to do? बिल्ली क्या करना चाहती है? The cat wants to get into the mouse house. बिल्ली चूहे के घर जाना चाहती है. What does the mouse tell the cat? चूहा बिल्ली को क्या बताता है? The mouse tells the cat that she has to be thin to come in. Number 4, what is the mouse? When is the mouse busy? Mouse कब busy होता है? The mouse is busy all day. चूहा सारा दिन busy होता है. The next one is students, here are some words written, some sentences are written and you have to write one word in front of each sentence. For example, a small box of full of sticks, sticks से भरा हुआ small box उसको क्या कहते हैं? मैच बॉक्स. समथिंग वी पुट इन लेटर इन, कोई चीज़ जो हम किसी लिफाफे में डालते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं? एन इनवेलप. सी पार्ट है वट वी पुट ऑन लाइट विद दिस स्विच, हम स्विच की मदद से लाइट जलाते हैं. वी कीप वार्म एट नाइट विद दिस, हम रात को गर्म रहते हैं उससे, ब्लैंकेट से, कंबल से. द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ योर एक्टिविटी. स्टूडेंट्स यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट केयरफुली. हेयर आर सम पिक्चर्स एंड यू कैन सी द वर्ड्स आर रिटन इन द बॉक्सेस and with the help of these pictures and these words you have to make the sentences. And the next one is your activity. You have to write your daily routine and here are some questions written and you have to write the answer of these questions according to your routine with the help of your mother or your father or anyone else at home. The next one is a grammar portion. Here are some masculine, feminine, word opposite, singular, plural. And students, you have to learn these this grammar portion carefully and write this grammar portion on your notebook. Here is word synonyms. Word synonyms means alfaz mutaradif. You have to learn these word synonyms and write on your notebook. Creative writing. Your task one is comprehension passage. Here is a comprehension passage written. You can see some sentences are written and after that questions are written. With the help of this passage you have to write the answer of these questions. For example, the first question is where does the frog live? फ्रॉग मेंढक कहाँ रहता है? द फ्रॉग लिव्स इन अ पॉन्ड, फ्रॉग तालाब में रहता है. यू कैन सी द आंसर फ्रॉम द पैसेज. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डज ही जंप ऑन, वो कहाँ जंप करता है? ही जंप्स ऑन अ लॉग, लॉग कहते हैं लकड़ी को. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डज द फ्रॉग ईट, फ्रॉग ईट, फ्रॉग क्या खाता है? द फ्रॉग ईट्स अ फ्लाई, फ्रॉग मक्खी खाता है. The next one is your essay, Eid al-Fitr. Students, you have to read and learn this essay with the help of your mother or your tutor at home and write this essay on your notebook. The next one is your application task, application for urgent piece of work. ज़रूरी काम की दरख्वास्त, आपने इसको याद करना है and write on your notebook. The next one is your grammar portion, the definition of sentence. Students, first of all, you have to know what is sentence. A sentence is a meaningful group of words that gives a complete sense. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल कोई भी जुमला जो हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करते हैं या बोलते हैं वो एक जुमला कहलाता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आई एम अ गर्ल, आई रीड इन क्लास 2. दीज आर ऑल द सेंटेंसेस बिकॉज दे आर गिविंग अ सेंसिबल मीनिंग. The next one is your activity relating to your sentences. Here are some words written in the boxes and blanks are given. Students, you have to fill the blanks with the help of these words given in the box carefully. The next one is your activity relating to punctuation. Punctuation means you have to put question mark, full stop and comma in front of each sentence. And the last one is your activity singular and plural. Singular and plural. Singular mean wahad and plural mean jama. Here are some words written and you have to write the plurals of these words. For example, apple, apples, ball, balls. Ball mean एक गेंद और balls mean ज़्यादा गेंदें. Frog, एक मेंढक, frogs, ज़्यादा मेंढक. Plate, plates, book, books, chick, chicks, chick कहते हैं चूज़े को. Tree, दरख्त और trees, ज़्यादा दरख्त. That's all. Thank you.